Okay, we're wanting to add these two fractions. Notice they already have the same denominator. So that's nice. So remember, when you add two fractions with the same denominator, you just keep that same denominator. So I'm just going to keep for that again. The 16. And I'm going to add x and x, which is 2x, and y, which is 2y. Now, normally we would think, okay, look, we're done right there, right? We just kept the common denominator and we just added the tops. So when two fractions have common denominators, you can add the tops. And by the way, why is that? You might wonder, why don't we add the bottom? Why don't we go 16 plus 16 is 32? It's just simply a matter of truth. Like, think about if you had a candy bar and you said, let me do it in a simple way. What if I had a candy bar and soon after Halloween, so I'm going to do a candy bar analogy, and you cut it into fourths, right? You had 1, 2, 3, 4. You say, I'm going to break this candy bar into fourths, and you say, okay, and one person ate 1/4 of the candy bar, and then somebody else ate, let's say, 2/4 of the candy bar, right? One person ate 1/4, one person ate 2/4. If you add that together, all together, they've eaten how much of the candy bar? Well, 3/4, right? Not 3/8, right? You wouldn't add the bottoms, would you? You wouldn't say they've eaten 3/8 of the candy bar. You'd say they've eaten 3/4. That's what's true, huh? So we don't add the bottoms because it's not true. You just keep the same denominator and add the tops. Okay. Anyway, but we're still not done. Why aren't we done? You might think we are now because we have to reduce. Let me write that. Now, reduce. Well, okay. So how do we just? Can I just go 2 goes into 16 8 times like that? No, you can't. You cannot cancel added, subtracted items, right? So let me write that. We cannot cancel added, subtracted items. So what do we do instead? Instead of coming in here and going 2 goes into 16 8 times, that's wrong. It's just not true. You cannot cancel added, subtracted items. Instead, factor, right? Instead, we factor, meaning we take the top and we take out the 2, don't we? And it leaves x plus y. You with me? Because that 2 could distribute back, be 2x and 2y, right? And now we can cancel this 2 like that. Now we can do it. Why? Because now that 2 is a multiplied number, right? This is 2 times, right? The parentheses mean multiply. That 2 is multiplying. Instead, factor, only cancel multiplied items. We can only cancel multiplied items. So I'm going to cancel those multiplied numbers. That I can do, right? We good there? And so what's our answer then? Our answer is x plus y. Oh, there's another good line. Over 8. That is the final answer to the problem. We simplified it as much as it can simplify. So there we go.